Having these spaces between your counter and your stove is one of the most annoying things that you can get at the time of cleaning. You can see all the food getting in between of these gaps, and it just makes it so much harder to keep everything clean, and who knows what's inside of that gap. So that's why they have created this design that is gonna help us over here cover that gap, the stove gap covers. So I got sent this product to test it on stove and with my kitchen. So I'm very excited to actually try this out because it's definitely something that is going to help the cleaning process and make things better when it comes to cleaning the kitchen and avoiding all the food to go in between the gaps in the counter and the stove. So there's a pack of two, so you can put one in each side. And in this case, this one is the silver color, but they also come with the black and white. And in this case, since the brand just sent it to me, they just sent me this color. And looks really good quality so far. And this is how they come out of the box right here. There you go. Look at the material, very shiny, very good quality. And now we're gonna go ahead and install them, adjust the length, and then you are gonna be able to see over here. There we go. So that way we can cover the whole area. That's amazing. This is really nice. So we just have to see which side we're gonna put it on. Let's see, so that it makes sense. So this is the first thing I like a lot, that is adjustable like that. And you can, that way it's not a one size fits all. It's fantastic. Pull the spring clips sideways to secure the strip in place. So what they ask us to do is just to bend this ones. So that way they have more of resistance when we put them inside. And that way they can stay inside. So I'm just gonna do that. And that way when I put them inside, they're not gonna go up as easy. So in this case, I'm just gonna measure this first to see how, I think I'm just gonna make sure that I have the proper size first, right? Before I bend anything. So here, it looks like it's a perfect size. And gently, I'm just going to go ahead and install it like that. So this is how they look on my stove already installed. As you can see, they can cover the whole area, and that's fantastic. These ones are a T-shape and they're easy retractable with a length of 13.8 to 27.5. So as you can see, I have a little difference over here, but this angle allows it to just go smoothly into the two surfaces, which is fantastic. And now I'm gonna go ahead and install it on the other side. And there you go. We can see how it looks over here from the top of the stove, and it actually looks really good. And it gives you this angle over here so you can clean all the side and you don't have to worry about all the debris in the middle or any sliding into that gap. So this is a great solution for your cleaning needs, and these ones are also safe to put on the dishwasher, and they are easy to clean, easy to remove. So remember, this is safe and harmless, and the stopgap covers. So you can just use this one for your kitchen.